Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now: hardware that meets minimum specs and the latest patch applied, so performance matches tutorials. First, log into your account and enable cloud saves. This prevents progress loss. Once done, select a starter loadout, assault rifle or bolter plus 1 grenade and a med kit, so you can focus on learning tactics, not gear fiddling. Make sure difficulty is set to a learning-friendly level. Then launch a short skirmish to get immediate hands-on practice. Now you move into core combat tactics. Practice burst firing from cover, popping out for 2 to 3 rounds, then repositioning to avoid return fire. Combine abilities. Use a quick melee to stagger an enemy, then immediately fire your bolter for high-damage follow-up. Once done with engagements, manage resources carefully. Save grenades for groups and only use medkits under 40% health so you don't run dry in longer missions. Make sure to reload during safe windows and communicate targets if in co-op. To finish missions reliably, prioritize mission-critical targets first, then clear optional goals to boost rewards. This reduces unexpected late-stage threats. On extraction, occupy a defensible position, stagger your evac timing, and assign evacuation roles when in squad so everyone knows where to be. If something goes wrong, say you're stuck on a checkpoint or performance drops, restart the checkpoint, verify game files, and lower graphics settings. Alternatively, rebind awkward keys to improve response. This quick troubleshooting often fixes most completion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.